all the immigrants kicked out.
Yeah.
They're getting Elon Musk slashing, NASA so that SpaceX stocks go up, right?
And slashing farm subsidies and city subsidies. Right. So in a time where there's literal food shortages, in my entire life living in the United States of America, I have never seen something as basic, the basics, bread, milk, and eggs, right? That's the basics. Yeah. That's at the top of every single food shopping list. I've never seen shortages of one of the basics like that, right? Where you go into every grocery store and there's no eggs anymore. Game. I've never seen that in my whole life.
The weapon changes. The
Yes.
first to kill with all weapons wins.
To farm at this point. Like, what are you doing?
Right. Well, so what this is the only smart thing I've heard come out of a Democrat in the last 2 months. Bernie Sanders wrote that the grassroots movement, which says no to oligarchy, no to authoritarianism, no to kleptocracy, no to massive cuts in programs that working people desperately need, no to huge tax breaks for the richest people in our country. He says there are a number of congressional districts where Republicans won by only a small number of votes. In the House, having only a 3-vote majority, we can defeat draconian anti-working class legislation. I can hear his voice. Anti-working class legislation. If the members of Congress vote no, and so they're rallying their. He says that Trump has unlimited money. Elon Musk, the wealthiest man on earth, put more than $270 million into his campaign. Has control over significant portions of the media, X, etc. And he goes through this. Today, 60% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. Millions are earning starvation. 85 million are uninsured or underinsured. Young people are unable to afford. 25% of seniors live on $15,000 a year or less. We have the highest rate of childhood poverty of almost any major country on earth. And we have a major shortage in low-income and affordable housing. But it's like, oh man, fuck, sign me up, right? But then when he has his list, it's all true. Yeah. But then he has his list of demands, and it's healthcare is a human right, must be available to all. Yes, every worker in America is entitled to earn a decent income. We must raise the minimum wage, make it easier for workers to join unions. Yes, we must have the best public education system in the world. Available to all. Yes, we must address the housing crisis. Yeah, well, I'm not as keen on that. I mean, repair the houses that exist and clean up the ghettos. But then millions of good-paying jobs, climate change. But then last, we must abolish all forms of bigotry. Right. So the point is, when this Musk shit catches up with people, and we see the poll numbers sinking already, and the people vote out this, they still want the immigration, but they vote out this slashing farm subsidies. The Democrats, they're going to get back in and start against bigotry.
Right,
We're going to these white racists, these white bigots that empowered Trump. They're out. Our thing is in, and
when they inevitably. I mean, I can't tell you right now what will happen by the midterms. My impression of the Democrats is they're just going to sit there doing nothing. They're just going to let the Republicans institute the conservative platform, which is all it's by default. Everything that the Republicans are for is unpopular. We struggled to win elections previously. When Newt Gingrich won the whole thing in the 90s under Clinton, who, by the way, Clinton was a neoliberal, right? So when the Democrats became neoliberals and the party shifted their alliances and voting blocks, it was remarkable when the Republicans won the Senate and the House of Representatives at the same time. Now, they could possibly do it again. But like you were saying, if they do get it, they're hanging back and they're just waiting for them to do this. And then they know people will vote for the Democrats, right?
Right.
The problem is they'll be like, look, this is all a response to Donald Trump's immigration racism.
Yes, his racism.
That's why people